Hello treasures, today I'll be making cake with plantain flour. Here I have 1 cup of my homemade plantain flour. So to make this cake, I'll start with 3 eggs. I'm using 3 medium size eggs. You can use 2 large eggs and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can also use butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'll just whisk everything. I'm using 1/3 cup of sugar. And I will sift in the flour. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to it just for the color. 1 tablespoon, sorry, I'm adding 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of nutmeg. My oven is preheating. I've also oiled my pan. Then I'll add milk. I'm using 1 cup of buttermilk. I used 3/4 cup of milk. I did not use all the milk because it's as if it's okay. The consistency is okay. Let it not be much. And here we have our plantain cake. Plantain flour is very nice. So I didn't know it would be this nice. I just said let me try it. And you come out and so. Need to be for breakfast. So let me just go and take a cup of tea.